OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro both are rumored to arrive at T-Mobile. Although OnePlus has been quite mum about its incoming smartphones, we have seen leaks and rumors flying around. The latest rumor comes from Max Weinbeck, who has successfully revealed leaks about the Samsung Galaxy S20 series with accuracy. Hey, what's up everyone? Anwar here, and this is TechNewLeaks. So let's get started. On Twitter, Max Weinbeck says OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro will hit T-Mobile. Also 9 Pro model has 12 gigs of RAM. T-Mobile apparently has plans to carry the new OnePlus 9 Duo. The OnePlus 9 Pro is expected to arrive with 12 gigs of RAM. We can only speculate that the 9 Pro will arrive with 256 gigs of internal storage. Based on previous leaks and rumors, the OnePlus 9 Pro may have a 4500 mAh battery and charge at up to 65 watts. Late last month, a reliable tipster suggested the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro will pack 4500 mAh batteries. Now tipster Max Jamber has corroborated that bit while claiming that both smartphones will come with in-box chargers. Jamber did not tell how fast the bundled adapters will be, but an image posted by him on Twitter revealing the battery capacity says we are looking at dual cell batteries on both phones. Previous leaks and rumors have claimed that OnePlus 9 Pro will charge at up to 65 watts. We also expect the Vanilla 9 to go that fast, but it's unclear if the light variant will share the charging speed or be slower to top up. We have also heard rumors about the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro supporting wireless charging. The Pro variant will go all the way up to 45-watt wireless charging, but the charging speed of the regular 9 remains unknown. At least two of the models will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset, and the OnePlus 9 is expected to come with a flat 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen, while the 9 Pro will come with a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus curved screen. The curve might not be as deep as that of the OnePlus 8 Pro. As per leaked images, OnePlus might have teamed up with Hasselblad for its camera optics on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 series is expected to arrive earlier than last year's 8 series. The phones are expected to arrive sometime in March. Based on current leaks, we are expecting a total of 3 devices including the OnePlus 9e or 9 Lite, the vanilla OnePlus 9 and the aforementioned OnePlus 9 Pro model with prices ranging from $549 to $899. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro next month? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.